The world is a tapestry of secrets. Some are woven into ancient stones, others whispered on the wind, but some secrets are bound between the covers of forgotten books. The Book of Suiga, also known as Daria, is one such book. It is a tome of whispers and shadows, promising untold power and threatening unspeakable doom. Some call it the Book of Death, others whisper of a book that kills its owner. Whatever the truth, the Book of Suiga remains an enigma, a puzzle box of magic and death that has fascinated and terrified for centuries. The book's origins are shrouded in mystery, its script is unknown, its diagrams unsettling, its very existence seems to defy the natural order. Tales speak of powerful sorcerers, driven mad by the knowledge contained within. Others tell of those who sought to control the book's magic, only to be consumed by it. The Book of Suiga is not merely a book, it is a doorway. It offers a glimpse into a realm beyond human comprehension, a place where the veil between life and death wears thin. The book's history is stained with the blood and madness of those who dared to possess it. The year is 1552. A young scholar named John Dee, already renowned for his intellect and ambition, stumbles upon a collection of ancient manuscripts in a forgotten corner of a Venetian library. Among them lies a book unlike any he has ever seen. Bound in black leather, its cover is devoid of any markings, yet Dee is drawn to it, compelled by an unseen force. He opens the book, and his life changes forever. The book is written in a language Dee does not recognize, a script of swirling symbols and intricate diagrams. He feels a strange energy emanating from the pages, a palpable sense of otherness. Dee, a man of science and reason, is both fascinated and disturbed. He senses that this is no ordinary book, it is a conduit to something ancient and powerful, something both alluring and terrifying. Years turn into decades, and Dee's obsession with the book grows. He begins to experience vivid dreams filled with strange symbols and whispering voices. He feels a constant presence beside him, watching, waiting. He believes that the book is speaking to him, guiding him towards enlightenment, or perhaps, towards madness. Through tireless study and what he believes to be divine inspiration, Dee begins to unravel the book's secrets. He discovers that the symbols are not merely letters but sigils, each representing a specific entity or power. The diagrams are not illustrations but schematics, blueprints for rituals and incantations. The Book of Suiga, Dee realizes, is not a history book but a cookbook for magic. Section 4. Marked for Death. As Dee delves deeper into the book's mysteries, his life begins to unravel. His health deteriorates, his mind frays at the edges. He becomes withdrawn, obsessed, haunted by the whispers that seem to emanate from the book itself. He alienates his friends and colleagues who fear for his sanity and his soul. Despite the toll it takes on him, Dee refuses to abandon his quest. He believes that he is on the verge of a breakthrough, that he is close to unlocking the book's ultimate secret. He conducts rituals, summons entities, all in pursuit of the power that Daria seems to promise. But the price of such knowledge is high, and Dee is forced to pay it in full. Tragedy strikes when a fire engulfs Dee's library, destroying years of research and consuming countless priceless artifacts. Dee barely escapes with his life, but the book, as if protected by an unseen hand, survives unscathed. He sees this as a sign, confirmation that he is on the right path. Section 5. The Unanswered Riddle. Dee dies a broken man, his mind addled, his body racked with ailments. The book, however, survives. It resurfaces throughout history, appearing and disappearing with an almost supernatural frequency. It surfaces in the hands of scholars, occultists, and madmen, each drawn to its power, each doomed by its curse. Some believe that the book is a conduit to a realm of pure evil, a gateway for demons to enter our world. Others believe it to be a repository of lost knowledge, a testament to a time when humanity possessed powers beyond our current comprehension. Whatever the truth, the Book of Suiga remains as elusive and enigmatic as ever. Section 6. An Enduring Enigma. The Book of Suiga stands as a stark reminder of the limits of human knowledge. It is a testament to the mysteries that still lie hidden in the shadows of our world. It is a warning that some doors are not meant to be opened, that some secrets are best left buried. The allure of the unknown is powerful, a siren song that has lured many a soul to their doom. And so, the cycle continues.